Hi family, this is going to be my first ever what I eat in a day video. It was requested by my twin Leislie Priest. So I take 2 pills in the morning. One is for my blood pressure and the other one is for depression. And it's a good time to get my water in for today too. Alright, so I'm going to start by making me some eggs in my well-used tiny skillet that's the size of the palm of my hand. I've been on this ghee for maybe about a month using this. I like the taste of it. Alright, so I'm just going to fry me up 2 eggs. Salt and pepper in this container is sea salt. And scramble it with my spatula. Almost done. Yeah, I like them fluffy. Alright, so now on to my smoothie. Almond milk, spinach, some carrots. These are some apples I cut up last night. Got some bananas, some beets. This bag of berries are almost empty, so I got a brand new bag and some ice. Almond milk, water, spinach and kale mix, handful of carrots, handful of beets, about a half a banana. Put my apples in there that got lime juice in it, and my berries, and blend it. I alternate y'all between purple and green smoothies. And this is going to go to work with me, and I like my smoothies to be nice and thick. And then the leftovers, just Carly and Zay wanted some. Carlton is not a morning person, so he didn't want none. Y'all thought I wasn't gonna have me no coffee this morning, huh? Gotta have it. Gotta have it first thing in the morning. I like these 2 kinds, but I went with the black silk today. This video gonna be more of a help to me as much as it is to you. So I'm just gonna swallow these eggs real quick before I go to work. Now I'm heading to work, and yes, I never got my window fixed. One day I will. Get this coffee down on my way to work. A lot of times I don't even drink the whole cup before I get to work, and I just pour it out. I got enough stuff that I bring with me. And I made it. Put my shirt on. There we go. EMT ready to go to work. Get my pants tucked in. Shirt tucked in. Okay, now I'm at a gas station. Filling up my cup with some ice. It's free as long as I have my own cup. And this is where I stash my stuff at. I have a reusable straw that I bring with me. And enjoy my smoothie. Yeah, I'm getting it down. What time did that say? 8:52. I started drinking it around 8:30, I think. So by 9, I was done. Put that back up. Walk around this parking lot because I'm serious about getting my steps in this week and try to beat at least one of the step groups I'm in. Alright, what did that say? 11 o'clock? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and eat some of these pears and apples. I nibbled on some of the nuts, but I wasn't feeling them this morning. So these are the apples and strawberry freeze dried that I use. Well, this is actually what's in this bag. my own little trail mix. Alright, that's enough of that. Put it back in my little snack thing. Get out and walk some more because today was a very slow day and I'm not complaining. It's kind of gray skies, gloomy day. Alright, all this sitting got me eating over and over. I'm a snacker anyway, y'all. I snack a lot. And this is the peanut butter sandwich I made before I went to work with this bread and this peanut butter. In case anybody wondering what kind of bread I'm using or peanut butter, I tried to put labels in for y'all. Alright, ride around town while I'm at work. Where should I go next? I know. How about go to Mr. Good Beans? It's a little local coffee shop. And get this coffee that I seen somebody in front of me getting. I was going to get a plain coffee. And to the person in front of me, coffee smells so good. This one is called Flannel Shirt. And then I found this little vegan pumpkin spice cookie.
Sorry you gotta stare at my feet all the time, but I can't show you everything. But I'm going to see if the hospital have any water, and I'll be right back. Oh, I've been doing so much sitting today. It's almost 2 o'clock, and I'm just now getting ready to do my first call. So I just been wanting to eat. They had water. They had a bunch of 8-packs. I just took a 4-pack. Save some water for some other people. I grabbed some sheets while I was there.
Refill my cup. That's all I do is add water all day long. All right, now it's going on 4 o'clock. It is time to eat my soup. Yep, this is what I did to my soup before I went to work. Heated it up on the stove. Had MarMar help me pour it over in my container. And we spilt it. So, clean my mess up. Pop me a mint when I get done eating, and I am off work.
And work is over. Now that I'm off work, I'm gonna go home, see what the kids are doing. Normally I get off late, but it is almost 6:30. I was supposed to be off at 6, but I got a late call. So since I'm off early, I'm gonna go to the gym and get a workout on.
Eat this grapefruit because I eat all day long.
Carly eating an apple and she got a bag of chips.
Well, I had chips too.
And I'm sure they had chips. Do you want chicken wings, mini corn dogs, nuggets, or pizza rolls? But on work days, how do I deal with the kids eating? So Big Brother is going to use the air fryer to make the little kids some food for me.
Alright, so I'm gonna make my dinner before I go to the gym. So when I get home from the gym, it'll be ready because I'm gonna be eating so late. Normally I eat by 7 o'clock, but when I go to the gym, I eat later. And remember, I worked today, so I got to the gym. My workout buddy working out with me. Look how high my heart rate get, y'all. How high do y'all heart rate get? According to this article, I'm right on track. I actually like doing these. They be hard. I be out of breath because my stomach be in the way. And MarMar wanted me to help him with these weights. I wish he had another workout buddy his age. Look at that, y'all. 60 degrees. And I've been watching y'all videos and y'all been saying it's been 100 degrees. And look how late I'm eating. Good thing my food was ready when I got home. What do y'all think that is falling on my food? Yep. It's hot sauce. Frank's red hot sauce. Do y'all want me to make some smacking sounds? No, let me just play. So this video is going to help me stay on track. This is a perfect, maybe not so perfect day of eating, but hey, I ate less because I knew y'all was watching. See? And look how many steps I got in today. Believe it or not, I forgot to put my Fitbit on when I first got up this morning because it was on charge. But look at this. I'm in the middle of this group. This is the group that be kicking my butt. This group right here, I might stand a chance. I don't know. We got Kim Cochran in there. And then this group, I don't know. Let's find out at the end of the week if I can keep it up. All right. So I put everything I ate in here. I hope I put everything. I had to estimate a lot on especially like when it came to my smoothie and all that stuff. But I stayed under my calorie goal because I worked out today. It readjusted, so it allows me to eat more. But I still try to stay under that because there's probably, I just feel like I didn't accurately track my calories or just something ain't right. So I try to make sure I stay under what it says. And my macros are out of whack. So if y'all have some tips for me, go ahead and leave them down below. I probably should have had a protein shake, right? That would at least help me with my protein. But where could I have put that in at? Y'all seen how much I ate? Maybe I could have replaced the cookie with the protein shake or something. That's probably what I could have did, huh? To help me with my macros. I don't know. Y'all advice, tips, and tricks are welcome down below in the comment section. Yeah, y'all, I weigh a lot, and when I get to under the 200s, I will let y'all know exactly how much I was weighing. Thanks for watching. I am just a mom of 4.